Hello, kids. We are going to go on the Amazing Race journey. So, if you are unfamiliar with the TV show, I'm going to let you know just a little bit about it. So, The Amazing Race is a TV show that asks contestants to travel to different locations around the world, completing challenges. It is a race. So, the first contestants to finish all the challenges win the game. And for this project, you will be creating your own amazing race route, just like the TV show. But for this project, instead of being a contestant, you are going to be the show creator and create the route and challenges contestants will take and participate in while on the show. You will choose route locations from each habitable continent, research the geography, climate, and culture of that location, and create a mission, a challenge to be done. An example, it might be climb the outside of the Eiffel Tower. You will then create a map showing that you created the challenges and the chosen locations. And so this project will be broken up over a period of time. So our essential question is, what does the world look like and what tools do we use to help navigate it? And so you're going to be learning about absolute location, relative location, climate, physical geography, and cultural activities at different places around the globe. And your learning target is I can use a variety of geographic tools. And so compass rose, cardinal, and intermediate directions, absolute location, which includes latitude and longitude. You will be using a world atlas and the calculators that are associated with that, and relative location. And so when you are done watching this video of me explaining the topics, I want you to actually go back and watch these two trailers of the show because it will give you more information. Even if you're familiar with the show, you should watch them. And so we are going to break this project up into four different tasks. And so I'm really only going to focus on the first task with you today. And so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to choose 7 cities from around the world, and you're going to provide the absolute and relative location of each one, as well as the flight distance between each city. So when you pick your first city, and then you pick your second city, how much distance is between those two cities? So here we go. So you're going to pick your 7 cities. And so I'm going to give you some examples. On your student packet, you will already have all the continents that you will choose cities from um, listed. But then you will pick the country within that continent, and then you will pick the city within that country. And so you will be, let's see, for this first task, it says, I highly recommend choosing cities that you yourself are interested in visiting. And you cannot choose the cities that I use in the example. So you'll choose one country that resides in the continent. So what you will do is you will research the continent, you will find countries that are in that continent, and then you will research and find a city that is within that country. And then you will find the coordinates, the absolute location, the latitude and longitude for each location. So, how you would find it in the world. And so, you will click on this website and you will put in the city, and it will help you find the latitude and the longitude. And then you're going to write the relative location by stating what's nearby for that place. So here is the coordinates right here that you would put for the absolute location. And then right here is the relative location section. And so here is an example for Honolulu, Hawaii. Honolulu is located west of the mainland USA in the Pacific Ocean. And so you are going to put something like a city that is nearby. You're going to use north, south, east, west of those types of words. And then you're going to calculate the distance from one stop to the next in miles. And so you don't have to do that for the first stop, but you will do that from the first city to the second city. How far of a distance is that? And there's a website there to help you with that. And for relative